Hello there, and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 Minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online lessons. Every week we get a vegetable box delivered to our house from a farm about 30 miles outside of London. And I'm on quite friendly terms with the delivery guy. So this morning when I saw him as he was dropping the box off to our house, we had a little chat that went like this. "Hey, you alright? How you doing?" "Yeah, not too bad, thanks." "How are you?" Yeah, I'm pretty good actually. They've taken about 20 deliveries off me today, so I've got a much lighter load." "Whoa," I responded, "that must be a relief." To which the delivery guy said, "Not half." Not half basically is not half. And people often use it as a way of responding to a statement to make it a little bit stronger. It's a way of making positive statements even stronger than they already are. Some people might regard it as a non-standard form, or they might see it as being a mark of lower class English or less educated people. But it's very, very common. I mean, living in London, I hear it all the time. It's something that I know I use myself as well. So you might have it as a response to a statement or a question. So maybe somebody says something like, "So, did you enjoy yourself at the party last night?" "Not half," meaning I really enjoyed myself. You also sometimes see it used in sentences as well. So you might say, "Oh, my teacher completely flipped out in class today. He didn't half shout at us," meaning he really shouted at us. He shouted at us a lot. "Yeah, that bar we went to last night wasn't half crowded in there," meaning it was very crowded. And maybe if you're being a bit catty, a bit bitchy about somebody, you might say, "Yeah, he's a nice guy, but he doesn't half talk once he gets started. He can hardly get a word in edgeways," meaning he talks a lot once he starts talking. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it on social media with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comment section below. We'd love to see examples of how you might use not half.